What's going on? Yeah, I just want to say thanks to everyone for all the positive feedback with the Japan episode. I wanted to do that as an hour-long special because we're actually celebrating 1 year of the vlogs, and I felt like that would have been a really nice treat just to give you guys a video that I procrastinated about making for at least the last 2 years. I just want to let you guys know that the guys from CSS actually watched the video and they want us to come back next year. So I think me and Ruben are going to go back to Japan next year and do a follow-up on the CSS guys. We keep getting messages all the time. Literally every day there's at least 10 to 15 messages of people asking to restock these stickers, the Spidey Cunts and Rinslad sticker. So I'm gonna do one last run of these, and I said that before, but yeah, like people want these all the time. These will be live on the website today. So a lot of people are asking too. I've fully restocked the shop. We got hoodies. I got some hats made up, just a small run of hats. We had a bit of an issue with the company that was doing our merchandise. I had to go with a different supplier in the UK. We got some limited edition Ruben stickers up there with his Laurel. We've restocked all the classic ones. We got the die cut ones back in. We got the Juicebox classic one back in. This one, which I don't actually have on me. Buy something from the shop. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Shit.
I love this game, man.
Oh!
Come on!
You can't speak. Yahoo bargain. These were €125. What's interesting is
value.
These are actually TRD blues for an A86 which have been modified, but this also looks like A86, and yeah, we are looking to see what's inside these. Check it out. Oh
TRD yellow.
TRD yellow.
Fucking A.
€125 bargain shocks. So I'll probably use these on the A86. Great. So somehow buying stuff for my Micra has benefited the 86. So these are the suspension that were in my car, and we suspect that they're TRD greens. Jesus, what was that? Nice.
More spider, the final spider. Full length.
Yeah.
The green. No!
What? No way!
Yet again,
I can't believe
another
this.
set of yellow.
The shocks that were actually in my 86 are another set of TRD yellows. So yeah, we got lucky here. More TRD yellows. These are these had big old spacers. Look at that.
Spacing.
Magic from Japan, Joe. Yeah, we were sick of talking about spiders, but
there may be more spiders.
they definitely made their mark. These were actually in my car the whole time. These.
So
TRD yellow shock
Adam.
absorbers.
What's the difference between the TRD yellows and the TRD blues?
There's a colour.
Just the colour.
Yeah, if you mix them, you get a TRD green then.
Did they do
So
that?
if you put a yellow in the left and a blue in the right, you'll get a green.
You're fucking with me. Well, as you can see, there's 4 there.
There's actually 7. Look.
Oh Jesus!
Be careful. Oh, so these are the greens.
They're the greens. You make
that
these.
we were just talking about. So you got a TRD blue and you got a TRD yellow. You want a TRD green? Magical motherfuckers! Whoa! Yeah! I told you! You didn't believe me! The camera don't lie!
Trust in me. Trust in you. All gone.
No, you can get these super rare, rare being the keyword, super rare JDM fucking harnesses. Rare JDM super now.
Ah, fuck! Oh, Jesus!
That's the pizza you paid for.
Well, YouTube paid for the pizza. Sound for the nibs. Swap my blue glass. Here it is here, out of my car. I want brown glass. Brown glass never came in my car.
wear that forevermore.
Yeah, it looks fucking great on him.
It's keeping me warm.
Yeah, you've actually stopped shivering since you put it
Yeah,
on.
you can't see my nipples, which are pretty pointy.
Ooh.
But it's handy for getting room.
Yeah, watch this rip around.
One room. More this way.
Oh, hey, your pants are off. It's very S&M, isn't it?
Goodness. Oh my fucking god.
Yeah.
Fuck. Just give him the boot. Look.
Right. That is absolutely crusty.
Hebrews. Feared.
Anybody paying attention?
It's on where you need.
Yeah, but
It's on now.
the weight of it. You have that beside bar, yeah?
I have the corner, yeah. Oh, is this? Here, put in some of your fucking.
Lubertron.
Oh.
Pulled in.
Whoa!
Thanks to you.
Oh yeah. No.
Back to you. Oh my god.
Oh, look at all that. More.
The last spider.
Finally. Spidey cunts!
Look at the size of the fucking bubble on his back.
We should get him to try and come out with me. It's slightly bigger. Yeah.
Ooh! He's vicious, man.
Oh, he loves that.
What the fuck is his back?
Oh, he's full of babies.
Dick balls.
Huh. Thought the clutch was fancy, but no. Right, so Dougie's going to torque the flywheel back on, and you could just hold it from the front, but he found this little tool on Yahoo that looks like a mustache.
Mustache tool, take one.
Take one, and everything can be torqued to spec for Dan as we give him back this engine.
Goodbye, my old friend.
Goodbye, my old friend. We had fun.
Caught input shaft.
Yeah. Oh,
Input shaft on a gearbox.
so you made this?
Yeah.
Ah, Jesus.
Love it.
Every time it's the right tool for the right job.
It's like I've done this before.
Yeah, it's like you've done this. It's like you're actually a qualified mechanic. It's weird, isn't it? Where was the fucking, was it here? The little pipe. Oh, there he is. Oh,
Sucky.
maybe, I think he was there. We're building a little sump box, so the engine over here will sit either on the pallet or on the ground. The electronic driver, yeah, look, it's just. Oh, fuck. And we're just going to leave this on to ruin people with OCD.
You could put it here,
Oh no.
and you can put your battery in it.
No.
Oh, wow.
Screw it down.
Yeah, screw it down and then put the sump in here like this.
And then you can leave your sump free of oil then.
Yeah. So we're going to put the engine in the box. Into the box. Big moment. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Ooh, ho, 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 ho. Wow.
That was nice. Wasn't
That was very satisfying.
Put them on and clean again.
Really important box that we built. Ha ha ha. Just have to get a bit of it in. Oh, slam. I just want to say thanks to everyone that's been sending us stuff. Like, we've gotten a chunk of mail from people. If you want to send us some stuff, we can hang it up. I'll put the mailing thing here in the bottom. Address, that's the word. Yeah, thank you to everyone. We got some cool stuff from all over the world. Like,
I think it's great.
there is a letter.
Oh my god, there's so much stuff. Holy fuck.
Holy
look at that.
fucking shit, man. Oh my god.
Whoa, fuck! It's your march.
Wow, that's beautiful. Cool. Reload. Cheers, guys. Thank you.
Wow, we have Corolla Brotherhood.
Roller Brotherhood.
Oh, that's nice though.
That's nice. Bang.
Look at that.
So thank you very much.
Yeah, that's great.
That is fucking great. I sent these out of nowhere. Pretty amazing. These, look at these, man. Wooden little laser etched keyring.
Great.
They're absolutely beautiful. The Perspex one. Same kind of machine. It's a little Lebanon with Tanabe's. Trueno, sorry.
Yeah, the clear is fucking dead.
Well, you can have. I'm just making a huge mess here now. This is actually really interesting. So, Michael Mahoney, he sent me these SDS sheets. So it's an SDS sheet. It's obviously when they used to work on the A86, K70, A71, October 1986. And it's kind of like a cheat sheet with all the specs on and everything.
This is fucking great.
Yeah, Rudy's JDM colouring book, 101 Squadron. Literally a colouring book for adults. And, like...
It's fucking so cool.
Man, there's so much cool stuff in here. It's too good for me for us to colour in. Not colouring it in, Rudy, I'm sorry. Maybe. Looks like
There's
Ruben's.
Ruben's back.
Yeah, that's amazing. Cheers.
Thanks.
Send us more stuff.
Yes.